Okay. Okay. Where are we going?
Katrina.
What are we gonna buy here?
Brownie mix.
Okay. Going to Katrina, guys. Ay! Nakakaano itong main door na to. Ginagawa. Oops. Oopsie! Ang init! Oh my God!
There's a cat. Did you see that?
There's no cat. Where?
Where's your mama? He's like, what's going on?
Shadow. Baka mamaya maapakan pala, no?
Oh, that's the mom.
Wait for me! May bibili na kami sa Katrina. Dami nakaupo dito, ah. Ano to? Eh, halo-halo yan, yung mga damit. Oh my golly! Oh. Dito kami sa likod dumaan. Something.
I get it.
Ayaw ni Kuya's mama. Kasi, nakikipagdaro siya online sa mga classmates.
Bye, Philippines.
Bye, Philippines. Hello, Philippines.
June 24th.
Hello, Philippines. Anong view namin sa likod?
Which one?
Hindi naka-play.
Hindi naka-what?
Hindi naka-play.
Naka-play?
Naka-play.
Play.
Yes.
Oh, no. Oh, no, it's like 9. And we're gonna go to get...
Go to the other side. Yan. Pretty little baby.
Say that name. You've been thinking of me. You couldn't love me.
I'm so in love with you. Katrina kami pupunta. Yan ang Katrina. Kapitbahay lang namin. Kaya nga nakakatakot. Tingin tayo. Ano to mga bakong ano? Ayun sa taas. I can see it from here. Sasarap ko. Puro pampababoy ng buhay. Ito, gusto ko to, honey cake. Yan. Tapos, asan yung ito? Yung mga paborito namin. Swiss roll. Baby, you want something here? Kasawa na kasi. Good evening. Oh, ito siyang croissant. You want bread? Ha? Kukuha ba ako? Sabi ni Irene, yung kanya. Ha? Siya, parang may gusto daw siya. What do you want, baby?
This
one?
Fried potato with sausage. Can I eat it now?
Here? You want to eat here?
You want to stay here?
Okay, sige.
And you want that for about as well tomorrow?
No, pizza tortilla ang gusto nila. Pizza tortilla. Ha?
Thursday, I was thinking.
Okay.
Ikaw, babe.
Wala naman, busog pa ako.
Kuha na ko this kuya.
Oo. Merienda niya. Ikaw din ba? Gusto mo din?
Chicken pot. Dalawang chicken pot, dalawang pot.
Gusto mo rin?
Chicken pot sa akin.
Dito ka nakakain.
Pwede, gusto niyo ba?
Gusto niyo na mag-stay? Ano?
May butter.
Butter. Anong butter? Butter. You want that? What you? So yummy. Tak? Ha? Ah? Ka pa ha? Akala kong bibili lang tayo. Okay, stay daw muna kami dito. Masarap? How about drinks? Water? Yeah. Pag nabulunan yan, wala nang
What do you
ano.
want?
This water is like filtering water.
Sparkling? No.
Wag na. Just get water only. Meron silang iced matcha latte. Parang hindi ka kumain, ah. Water na lang, babe. Yeah.
How do you know I want
Ha? No, wag na. Water na lang. Ang hilig mo sa watermelon, no? Ew! What? Ah? Going back home. Tapos na nagmerienda ang Bobby. What did you buy for Kuya? You didn't buy anything for Kuya? Ito na yung building namin. Mula doon hanggang doon. And dito ako naglalakad sa morning. And dito, diba kahit gabing-gabi na dito sa Dubai, kahit nasa labas ka, kahit naglalakad ka, safe na safe ka. Daming tao dito sa garden. Hmm? Yeah.
kitty?
It's a Hey! Why did you leave me? Di mo na ako. Tuman sila sa kabila. Hey! Cut na naman! Itong dalawang to, ang hilig nila sa pusa. Ups! No.
Because I was on the other side.
That's all for today. Good night, everyone. Please do watch the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.